Today we got the iPhone 13 mini. We're gonna unbox, take a close look at the new design from Apple. The box is a lot smaller than I thought it would be, but it was packed safely. I was previously using the Xperia XZ1 as my preferred phone, which is only about 3 or 4 years old and it still works great, but my carrier recently told me I had to upgrade my device or they wouldn't let me on the network anymore. Kind of a complicated situation, but I'm kind of curious if any of you other people are dealing with this, so drop a comment and let me know. I want to hear your story. So the newest line of iPhones is Series 13. You've got the Standard, the Mini, the Pro, and the Pro Max. Essentially, these are the different sizes with increasing capabilities as the sizes increase. Over the next few weeks, I'm going to be taking a look at a few of these new iPhones, so subscribe so you don't miss out on those reviews. Today, we're focusing on the mini variation of the iPhone 13, and I hope this video can help you decide on what phone you want to buy. This phone comes in the 128, 256, 512 gigabyte storage sizes, has 6 gigabyte RAM with a 1.9 gigahertz clock speed. It supports dual SIM, 5G capable, and one of the newest iPhones that you can get. Next to my Xperia, you can see that the iPhone is smaller, but the screen is actually larger. The screen is not as wide as the Xperia, but after using both phones, I prefer the iPhone. That's just my opinion and how I use a phone, so yours might be a little bit different. Would be really amazing to see the iPhones get a little bit thinner though. The Xperia is definitely a thinner phone and I really like that. The screen on the iPhone 13 is amazing though, with Super Retina HDR 2340 with 1080 resolution, 476 ppi pixel density really makes things sharp. The A15 Bionic chip making it super responsive. And one thing with these iPhones, they're always lightning fast. I don't get the lag issues going through menus and things like that you see on Android phones. Camera, of course, is quite an upgrade on this. We'll test out the cameras on another upcoming video to give you an idea of some of the amazing shots that you can achieve with this phone. We got some cool stuff planned out for that. With the Apple iPhone 13 mini, you get access to all the same apps as the other phones. It's essentially just a smaller scaled down model with a pretty nice reduction in price as well. Starting at $699, it's not a bad option. I don't want to get too into this review. I wanted you to get a good look at the phone and how it arrives mainly. You know, my first impression is that it's comparable to my Sony and very compact, maybe a little bit thicker than I like, but it still feels pretty nice in my hand. Subscribe to stay updated and drop some likes if the video helped you out. Thank you, everybody.